I made $2,000 trading. The main thing is getting to that point to be able to make that money. I can make $2,000 today, $20,000, $200,000 today. That doesn't matter for you.
I'll take that entry right there. 50 points isn't a horrible stop today. TP1, freaking even on that thing.
Can't lie to yourself. You'll know deep down in your mind, deep in your heart, if you did what you were supposed to today. Were you disciplined? Were you consistent? Did you follow your rules? Look at yourself. Are you where you want to be in life? Do you have the apartment you want? Do you have the car that you want? Do you have the people around you that you want? Do you have the clothes you want? Can you eat the food that you want? The life that you want, you could have. The body you want, you could have. The cars you want, you could have. The house you want, you could have. The people around you want, you could have.
Welcome back, everybody. We back with another video. We about to see what we could do. Right now it is 9:27. I'm trying to get onto this call. I started the call probably like 5 minutes ago while I was in the other room, just so I can have it prepared, because today was CPI. So an hour ago at 8:30 in the morning was CPI. And honestly, I really have no real willingness to chase the charts today. I know one of the people in VIP ended up losing his live accounts today just because of the fact that he was trading CPI. He shouldn't have been trading CPI, but you live and learn. It's one of those things where I could tell you as many times not to trade CPI, but you're gonna have to learn yourself. You're gonna have to learn the reason why sometimes. And sometimes you're gonna have to get hurt. You're gonna have to bleed a little bit to understand why you have to do certain things. You know what I mean? It's like same thing as over leveraging, over trading. So right now, about to get this call in there, see if we can make some money, see if we can give some value, and just overall do what we do every single day. But it'll be like a 50-point stop, something like that. Someone's calling me. Ain't no calling right now, bull. Ain't no calling right now, bull. 1 hour gap, 9:30. It's not a horrible idea. Well, is this 100 points to this high? It's not. It's not. That I won't be able to get a full TP at that wick. Just a matter of timing. Oh man. Oh man. Don't go yet. Don't go yet. Come on. Give me a couple more points and let me get this entry. I think we just came down. I'll take that entry right there. 50 points isn't a horrible stop today. At least I got wide enough to where I can watch this shit if it wants to go into drawdown. Any other day, that shit was just insta drawdown. My only concern is that I gotta wait. Price is gonna need to really get a good 30-point push above that high, which is one of my main concerns. But besides that, it's a good trade idea. Going into 10 o'clock, everything's already bullish. It's just a matter of, are we gonna move now? But worst case, I'm watching, in case we do drop and hit stop loss, I'm gonna watch to see if we fill this gap down there. Besides that, the shorts are already in play at that point. Let's see what we can get. Yeah, we moving. Let's see though, it ain't over till it's over. We almost hit TP1. TP1's gonna be a thou wow. A thou wow, and then TP2 is 2 thou wow. Right at 40,000. Honestly, 40,000 is a great number to be targeting, price-wise, even though it's 30 points above the high. TP1, ooh, breaking even on that thing. Break even. See, that was a smooth trade. Regardless if this shit hit TP or not, that was a great move. Can't complain. That's all we can ever control, gain a fucking reaction. Stop trying to get rich overnight and just realize, if you can figure out where the market's gonna move, that in itself can make money. Whether it's, look at the number, I'm up 1,200. That move, it didn't even run the high. That's tough. That's real tough. That's real tough. I ain't gonna lie. That hurts my heart. 2 days in a row I've had this happen. It's crazy. Longs at the 1 hour gap at 10 o'clock, risking about 50 points on NAS. 10:30, and then worst case, this is L. Best case, we hit TP2. No, best case, we hit the high, which is TP3. Ideal case with TP2, but nonetheless, we just wait. But live today fucking sucked. Even though it was CPI, besides CPI, it was just real rangy. It did the same thing as yesterday, where the one trade I took that I was up 1,800. I was $200 away from the TP, $200, and it fully reversed, went into drawdown, and I got stopped at break even. The second trade I just took, it was looking good for the longs on NAS 100. Second I took it, it immediately started dropping again, and I got cooked up. So you're not gonna win every trade. You're not gonna lose every trade. It's been a really rough week at the end of the day. Like, I made some money yesterday, but that was after 1 L, 1 break even. I won a trade. And today, 1 break even, 1 L. I just got out the shower. So I didn't show, at least I don't think I showed me taking the last trade. I took 3 trades today. You guys saw the L, you saw the break even, and I took the third trade at the same exact area. 1 L, 1 break even, and then the last trade that I took finally played out. I don't think I have a picture of it. No, I don't think I took the video of it, but here's the trade when it played out. It ended up going to 1 to 3. This the trade that I called with the team. This is when I was break even. This was that first trade that ended up stopping me at break even though it was a win. So overall today, even though I made, I think, $2,000, it was the same exact thing as yesterday. Same exact thing. Like today was a complete replica of yesterday. 1 L, 1 break even, 1 win, and I made $2,000 after losing 1,000. But that's what happens when you have a positive risk reward. I keep trying to tell you guys the stuff that I try to explain to you guys when it comes to the concepts, when it comes to how I trade, my concepts, my risk rules, my everything. That shit works, bro. Like it does its job. It does its job, and I don't think you guys understand that. So here for the day, about to show it all up. For the day, this is how much I made. I'm up about $2,000. Hopefully that light in the back doesn't show too much, but you can see only took the 3 trades and we made about $2,200. And then after everything, it was about $2,198. Can't complain at all. But listen, it's not about that. Now it's time to go on with the rest of our day. But here, real quick, let me also show you this. Power of risk reward, baby. Power of risk reward. $1,000 loss, $3,000 win. That's how you do it. But now, about to go get some food, about to go to First Watch, get some breakfast. Then from there, head to the gym and continue the day going strong. This is only the beginning. Only the beginning. And then tomorrow, I'm getting my haircut and everything, because tomorrow, we're going to be in Miami at nighttime. Stay tuned for that. Got some gas, put some gas in it, because tomorrow I'm going to be driving to Miami, so I'm gonna need as much gas as I can. And tomorrow I have a feeling I'm gonna be running around after I gotta get my haircut and everything. I'm gonna be moving back and forth, and I just don't wanna have to get gas and do all that little shit. I just wanna be on the road. So right now I got a full tank of gas, and if I gotta get more, which I more than likely will, because Miami is about a 3.5 hour drive from here, then I'm gonna have to. But nonetheless, right now I'm about to head to the gym. We about to get this workout on. I love it. We gonna hope nobody's there, but it really depends. It's about 3 o'clock right now. It's not super early, it's not super late. I'm not really sure what to expect when it comes to who's gonna be there. But fucking nonetheless, I'm gonna get my workout. The only thing that's gonna change is if I get to talk to you guys. Nonetheless, I'm gonna get some footage for you guys when it comes to my actual workout. But that doesn't mean I'm actually gonna get something else here. I'm about to go right through here, cut through these cars like these. Then I'm gonna speed in front of this car up here. Just like that, I ain't gonna lie. I just cut a whole lot of traffic, but you know, that's what you gotta do. Sometimes you gotta be fast with it. And I ain't gonna lie, the car that let me go, he got stuck at the light. That's tough. Sometimes being nice is not gonna get you what you want. Sometimes being disciplined isn't gonna give you the reward that you want. Me following my plan this week so far hasn't really gotten me the results that I wanted. I've won trades, yes. And fortunately enough, they've been 1 to 3s. I don't usually catch 1 to 3s, and surprisingly, the last 2 days I caught 1 to 3s, which is a little crazy, considering both of them were my last trades of the day. Is also crazy. But listen, everything happens how it's supposed to happen, because you're gonna learn from it, one way, shape, or form. I gotta learn not to get greedy. I gotta learn that tomorrow I probably shouldn't take no trades, or at least I probably shouldn't trade my funded accounts. Tomorrow I'm probably only gonna trade my Hanko trade accounts, just because I gotta diversify. I'm not gonna trade the accounts that I've been trading all week. You know what I mean? Especially the day that I'm about to go on, like, to Miami. I don't want to fuck it all up. I'll probably take a little trades on a Hanko trade, because even if I lose my trades for the day, those are only going to be the first L's of the week for that account. So it's not that bad in reality. You just got to make sure you manage risk. That's the only thing we worry about all the time, making sure we manage fucking risk. All right, just got back from the gym. I was gonna chill for a little bit. I'm hot, I'm tired, but guess what? This is when you should put the work in. Putting the work in exactly when you don't want to. Just got done the gym. I was hitting some crazy burpee workouts, crazy full body workouts. I made $2,000 trading, but that's nothing crazy. The main thing is getting to that point to be able to make that money. I can make $2,000 today, $20,000, $200,000 today. That doesn't matter for you. You need to know the steps and the processes that I use on a day-to-day basis that got me to this point and that keep me at this point. And things
that do that for me are things such as going to the gym. And a lot of people, they have a thing against going to the gym, saying it doesn't necessarily make you money. It's not going to get you that private jet. It's not going to get you a Lambo, a penthouse. You're right. Going to the gym isn't going to make you more money. It's not. But you know what going to the gym is going to do? It's going to build discipline within you. You know what going to the gym is going to do? It's going to build consistency in you. You know what it is going to do? It's going to teach you pain. It's going to teach you that no matter how hard you work, you will see results long term, not instantly. It's going to teach you that results aren't going to happen overnight. That's what going to the gym is going to teach you. Now, anybody that has something to say about that, go fuck yourself, because I guarantee you don't work out on a day-to-day basis, on a weekly basis, because if you did, you would know the benefits. And if you did, you wouldn't be commenting that. You wouldn't be saying that, because anybody that works out know it benefits them. Anybody that works out know it does more for them mentally than it does physically. Most people aren't going to benefit physically from working out off rip. But I can guarantee you, if you're out of shape, I can guarantee you, if you're not healthy, I can guarantee you, if you're not in the position you want to be, going to the gym today or the rest of the week is going to make you feel better about yourself. It's going to show you that you're working harder. You can't lie to yourself. You could lie to your friends, you could lie to your family, you could lie to anybody you're in a relationship with. You can't lie to yourself. And that's something that I tell my VIP members. That's something I tell anybody that I've ever mentored, taught, anything. You can't lie to yourself. You'll know deep down in your mind, deep in your heart, if you did what you were supposed to today. Were you disciplined? Were you consistent? Did you follow your rules? You'll know. Was I 100% disciplined today? No, I wasn't. Could I have done better today? Yes. Did I make some mistakes today? Yes. Did I do anything that's going to detriment my entire life? No, I didn't make major mistakes. I made little mistakes that aren't going to be good habits. There's little things that you do on a day-to-day basis that may not necessarily impact you a lot now, but that little bit adds up. If you do that every week, every month, every day, even if it's not messing with you right now, it adds up. A little bit of something now and a little bit of something tomorrow slowly turns into a little bit of something every day. And at the end of the year, that turns into a lot. Regardless, good or bad. You can have good habits, you can have bad habits, but you got to be aware enough to understand what you're doing right and wrong. Look at yourself. Are you where you want to be in life? Do you have the apartment you want? Do you have the car that you want? Do you have the people around you that you want? Do you have the clothes you want? Can you eat the food that you want? Are you able to get a haircut whenever you want? Are you able to buy whatever you want? Those are the questions you got to ask yourself. And the answer to those questions, it may hurt you. It may make you feel some type of way. It may make you not like me for making you even think about that. But guess what? Those pain points is where it matters. If you think about something and it hurts, if you think about something and you have the emotion towards it, it's important to you. And that means you got to figure it out. There's a cause for every effect. You're where you are for a reason. You're going to be where you are in the future for a reason. You just got to take the steps every single day to get to that point. Go to the gym. It's going to build you mentally. It's going to build you physically. Work on your business every day. It's going to make sure that you never have to work a job for anybody else later in life. And that's one thing people need to focus on. Stop trying to get rich overnight. Stop trying to replace your job overnight. Learn skills. It's going to take time. I don't care to be self-employed right now. If I have to go back to a job, that's perfectly fine, because I understand I don't want to die working. If I have to work 5 years, 10 years, who cares? 20 years, 30 years, who cares? There's other people that are going to literally work until they fucking die, bro. Till they die. They're going to be born, work, they're going to be working until they die. I'm not going to be like that. I'll work as hard as I can, but I'm going to work on the things that I want to work for. That's another main thing. People tend to work their lives away for something that they don't care about, and that's fucking crazy. I'm not going to do that. That's not going to be me. You have in control what you want. You can have whatever you want in life. The life that you want, you can have. The body you want, you can have. The cars you want, you can have. The house you want, you can have. The people around you want, you can have. The jewelry, you can have. You can have anything that you can put your mind up to. I promise you. But this is just about doing the work required, building the foundation, and doing the daily action steps to get to the point to where you have $100,000 in the bank. You have $1 million in the bank. It's as simple as following a process every single day that's going to get you to that point. Follow the blueprint. If you want to know what the blueprint is, the free trading course. It'll teach you everything when it comes to my trading concepts, systems, everything. For free. Completely free. Only thing you got to pay me with is your time. And also, promise to yourself that you'll put the work in, because I can't make you do it. I can give you the water, but I can't make you drink it. Whew, 441. Tired of shit. Them burpees hit different, bro. I don't know why I haven't been doing them shits before. I don't know. Maybe I should start listening to people that went to jail sooner, because their workout tips are crazy. I'm not going to lie. Their workout tips hit different. Them burpees, they give you literally a full body workout. Like doing those, I did it with the 20 pounds. You guys probably saw the clip. I was doing it with 20 pounds. So I was lifting 20 pounds with the shoulders and coming down, because also you guys got to keep in mind when you're doing the burpees, it's like a full body workout. So I had the 40 pounds squatting also. So I'm squatting, I'm doing the push-ups, and I'm doing the shoulder. That's just killer. And if you do it till you burn out, I promise you it's gonna be crazy. When I'm in Miami for the next week or so, I promise you guys are gonna see a lot of clips of me doing push-ups and burpees on the balcony. It's just mandatory, I got to.
All right, guys, and this is where we about to end the vlog. Right now, I'm about to feed these dogs. I'm about to be on feed the dog duty. Make sure they stay alive. Right now, it's approximately, it's a little late at night. Right now, it's only 9 o'clock. But my girlfriend is at work right now. I gotta get her in about an hour, hour and a half. But I gotta finish uploading this video, get it edited so you guys can watch it and everything, because I'm not gonna get it. I don't wanna have this video pushed at 12 o'clock at night. The only time I have my vlogs posted at 12 a.m. is because I have to. You know what I mean? But if I had the opportunity to post earlier, I would. It's just sometimes I'd be busy. But nonetheless, today's gonna be on time. And if you stood to the end of this video, I just wanted to give back to everybody that's watching. I'm gonna give you guys another chance to get the lifetime discount when it comes to VIP. If you wanna get 50% off for life, meaning you're gonna get half off forever, lock in the code. I'm gonna have it at the end of the video. I'm gonna have it in the description. So make sure you tap in. This is for you guys. I want you to be on the team. I want you to be with me on the day-to-day basis. These videos are cool, but I talk to my VIP members every day. One-on-one. We trade together and we're with each other for 2.5, 3 hours every single day. You don't get anything better than that. If you want to learn to trade, especially. Now, if you don't want to learn to trade, maybe not. But if you want to learn to trade, get that free course, join VIP. And with that being said, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow's video. You want to say bye, dogs? You want to say bye? Nah, she just hungry. What about you? You want to say bye? Nah, she said fuck y'all. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's daily video.